Alright guys, good morning. And एक बार without fog view check करो. So there is no fog today right now. Just look at this mesmerizing view. Damn, this place is surreal. Let me show you something which you'll find yourself very lucky to spectate when you're in Darjeeling area. Yes, it's 7:30 in the morning and see what we spotted. That is Kanchenjunga. Wow. It looks so beautiful. And the property which we are staying in, just imagine yourself to be living this much isolated. I know many of the introverts should have a dream. You guys have a dream of living in this kind of a house. It's beautiful. So maybe in the morning I'll take a small hike, and after that I'll be sitting here on these tables and I'll be working. This feels really, really good. I can see the complete clean view of the city from here. Because in general, you find very misty, foggy weather in Darjeeling, which is quite prominent. But this is very rare that you find such a clean weather. Yeah, although the weather keeps on shifting every hour, but still, you never know when it's going to rain or when it is sunny. Ah, beautiful. Just take a look at that part of the city. Can you spot the valleys over there? So finally I could justify the view from our hostel. Like when I said that I'm staying in a very isolated place, so no one actually tried to believe at what kind of place are we staying in. So this is the kind of place which I'm staying. That is the place with all the chaos and all the touristy part, and this is kind of offbeat. So guys, good morning from Darjeeling, and our day 2 is gonna be very, very interesting, which was absolutely unplanned. So I'll be going for a hike with Leena ma'am, and I don't know where she's gonna take me. So let's see. I'm very excited, and as she's a hiker, I don't know whether I'll be able to share the complete experience with you guys today, but definitely I'm gonna try my best. And guys, I'm really getting obsessed with this view. The camera can't justify it really, but that's what it is. So guys, that's the hostel which I was living in. From there I showed you a property which is right below me, and here is the hostel which we are living in. Looks so beautiful and so isolated all around. Check out the area. Desert building. Doesn't it look scary? Eerie. Trust me or not, there can't be a better way to travel a place other than being touristy. Like, if you want to explore some place, grab a local if you're lucky enough, and they will take you through the places where no tourist can be, where no tourist can go. Absolutely no. So here I'm walking in the outskirts of Darjeeling. I'm hiking with her, and I won't be able to explain the terrains we are covering, the places, the weather which I'm walking in. Sorry. Wow. It's a stupa, right? Check this out. Okay, that's the place exactly for worshipping. Okay. Wow. So now we came to the Japanese temple. This is the Japanese Peace Pagoda in Darjeeling, built in 1992 to promote world peace. It is one of over 80 pagodas built by the Nippozhan Myo Hoji Buddhist order.
The calm here is unreal. You can literally hear your thoughts. If you're in Darjeeling, this is a must visit for a moment of silence above the clouds.
Not yet. So I don't think that I need to train my legs for the next couple of days because we are walking uphill from a very long time, and probably we have walked almost more than 5 kilometers from the morning. And to be honest, I'm not at all tired. I'm enjoying this a lot. मैं जब आसनसोल में रहता हूँ, I don't even walk half kilometers. Trust me. But whenever I'm outside, no matter where I am, I walk almost 8 to 10 kilometers a day, and I enjoy doing that. And today, still, as I planned, that I'll stay away from touristy spots and I'll stay in isolated roads, isolated places, and I'm doing the same. So this is a passion fruit, and it is supposed to be crushed between your palms and open it. So this is how it cracks open. So you have to split it into two. And this is how it looks. Might be scary for some new people, but I love trying new things. So, okay, and you're supposed to swallow this. So today we are going to have our breakfast here at the Park Restaurant.
So, after having a certain kind of vegetable soup with mushrooms and other veggies, we are here at another restaurant. So, this is basically a Tibetan restaurant, authentic Tibetan, where we tried Taipo and mixed noodles as well.
Typical Darjeeling weather. And we are having something from here. Nana, this place looks really dreamy.
And people just make photo in that I love.
That's why I don't go to touristy places.
Like, if you click a photo, it will be like.
People know I'm in Darjeeling. Why shall I post that I love Darjeeling? Don't you think it looks kind of a little that we are inside a fairy tale for a few minutes?
Yeah, like.
Oh my god.
like
I
some Harry
really
Potter
can't
house.
believe. Yeah, exactly Harry Potter vibes. Wait, I'll just flip the camera and show you guys. मेरे पीछे देखो. Gloomy weather. Pura misty, big pine trees. And we are walking all alone. So that's what I meant by that I don't like touristy places and I love to explore places with locals. ये सब experience normal tourists नहीं करता, which I love doing. Just see, we are walking through the trails without knowing where is she taking us. I don't know.
All this like 3-4 times the promotion reaches and we are going and growing and going and we are just making fun of it. That really like it's a long walk. So actually like you are just going down and down and down.
Oh, look at this place. What's that? Oh my god. पगला गया हूँ. What am I doing, man? Seriously. This is a graveyard. Oh fuck. Look. There are graves all around.
언니야 그거. 하하.
(1865 AD). So this graveyard is very old.
পুরো পড়ে আছে
ওটাই তো, তাই জন্য তো আমি নিয়ে এসেছি তোমাকে এখানে।
What is the sound? Tick 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 tick.
That's a spider.
Some kind of insect?
Yeah.
So all of the graves which you can see belong to the British era. Everything which you see. Like literally all of them. Is it locked? Huh? I don't think so. Oh no, it is.
ঠাকুর বাচ্চা
आराम से.
বাই just come from this middle part.
I'm doing such stuff which I should not be doing here. बहुत गलत जगह में कर रहा हूँ मैं. Just show them the place where I'm doing this. I shouldn't be doing this in this place. Guys, check her out. She's looking so cool on that particular Royal Enfield. So it's 4 p.m. right now and our hike is over finally. So we hiked for 15.8, almost 16 kilometers today, and it's still I guess a kilometer maybe, right? Almost. So we'll be hiking for the next 1 kilometer. तो आज पकड़ के चलो हम लोग 17 किलोमीटर हाइक किए, uphill downhill मिला जुला के, and it was an amazing time with these guys. I'm gonna miss them. I'm feeling like Bear Grylls. It's windy, it's drizzling, the weather is chilling.
caps I'll be carrying.
मजा आ रहा है. ये मजा है ऑफबीट एडवेंचर का. She's vibing. Yeah. Alright guys, so let me tell you in short. So I was staying in Tripper's hostel once again, just to remind you guys, and I was doing some work for my business here. और अगर आप लोग भी चाहते हो that you want to work remotely without any disturbance, so definitely I'll just give their contact numbers in my description. You can directly book by calling them, or you can book via Hostel World as well. Lexi, sit. कभी कभी एक खिड़की ही काफ़ी होती है हमें ये याद दिलाने के लिए कि हम इन पहाड़ों के सामने कितने छोटे हैं. क्लाउड्स पास बाय फास्ट, जैसे हर एक सोच सिर्फ एक पल के लिए आती है. छोटी छोटी बातें, कुछ हंसी मजाक और फ़ोन स्क्रीन से पीछे छुपी लाइफ, सब कुछ वक्त से तेज़ भागता है. मैगी, कॉफ़ी और थोड़ी सी शांति. कभी कभी बस बैठ जाना ही ज़रूरी होता है. मौसम बदलता है, कभी सनी, कभी फॉगी, लेकिन हम वही के वही हैं, सोकिंग इट ऑल इन. और फिर क्लाउड्स आते हैं, सब कुछ धुंधला सा हो जाता है. लगता है जैसे लाइफ रुक गई हो. बट जस्ट वेट, जैसे ही क्लाउड्स हटते हैं सब कुछ फिर से क्लियर हो जाता है. लाइफ भी ऐसी है, थोड़ा रुकावट, थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन, बट एवरीथिंग इवेंचुअली मेक्स सेंस. जैसे ये पहाड़, जैसे ये बादल. बाय 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 बाय. So with this note, my trip gets over, and you know the best part of solo trip is आप आते अकेले हो, but you just not only take memories, but yeah, you make new friends and have memories of a lifetime with them.
So they are heading to Nepal. I'll be heading back to Asansol, and this beautiful journey ends here. Bye bye.
गाइस यार चेक आउट व्हाट हैपेंड. वो टॉय ट्रेन से गाड़ी ठुक गया, पार्किंग था गलत जगह पे, हिट कर गया. लाइव एक्सीडेंट इन दार्जिलिंग, लाइव क्रैश.
There is something magical about the mountains. The way the fog rolls in, the silence between the trees, and that feeling of just being present. I came here looking for views, but I found peace instead. If you ever need to slow down, take a deep breath and feel alive again, Darjeeling is waiting for you. Until next time, keep exploring and keep smiling. Bye bye.